The sun is going away and the rain has come. We really haven't had much of it, so it's not that bad, but I just personally hate it because I feel like you can't do a thing when it's raining. But since we're gonna be having it for the next week, I thought that I would just make today cozy and have a day at home. Also, I have been trying to film and upload for the past 2 weeks, by the way, but so many things have just been popping up. First, my laptop did not want to work and my files did not want to download. Then I get sick where I was rotting in bed for a whole week. I had to take Duke to the vet and turns out he ate something and has pancreatitis, and literally as he's getting better I found out that Sky now has a problem and there goes another vet visit. So it has been a bumpy 2 weeks, but I'm just glad that I was at least able to get one video each week, and hopefully now I can finally get back on schedule. No idea why, but I've been into The Summer I Turned Pretty again, and I've been rewatching season 1 and 2 these past few days, so obviously I had to put it on right now. I think I'm gonna binge watch season 1 and it's just gonna be my show for the day. Also, when my sister gets home from work, we're gonna be making sugar cookies, which I'm really excited for because I feel like whenever it's a rainy day there always needs to be baking involved. I don't make cookies very often, but I feel like it'll be fun. I've been trying to look for those little Valentine's cookies where they have the heart on them, but I can't find them anywhere, so I think I'm just gonna try and make something on my own. Hopefully I can get creative and they turn out cute because I want to have a Valentine's party with my sisters, so I want something like that, but I just couldn't find them in the store. You know what I feel like doing today? Reading. I honestly have not picked up a fun little book since summer, so right now I chose the book After I Do by Taylor Jenkins, and I'm gonna see if I like it. I love this book already. Alright, the rain has finally died down, and I don't know for how long because it's actually supposed to stop at 6 and it's barely 3, so I don't think it'll be like this much longer. So for now, my sister and I, we're gonna stop at the store to buy some ingredients that we need for the sugar cookies. Hopefully it's still not raining by the time we get out because I do not want to get poured on, but it should be a quick trip, so I think we'll be good.
Okay, so I just made this recipe up right now, as I was adding everything in. So we'll see if it's really good or not when we have the first cookie.
Alright, hopefully these taste good. They came out super fluffy and they look good, but
we're gonna let them cool down for 5 minutes and then we're gonna frost them. Okay, we're gonna try the smallest ones. It's a sugar cookie. I did a good job. I like them. And what? Oh.
Who wants to try it?
No.
I don't want to swallow it.
They're on a diet. We can't have them try it.
No. We are hitting the gym tonight because both of us have not been in like a week or two, so tonight's the night. The gym is more packed than it is on a sunny day. Don't understand.
One more.
We better be sore tomorrow.
Bye, vlog.
Okay, bye. So for now, I'm filming. What I mean?
Super aesthetic. Okay, so I just made this recipe up right now. Oh. Hold on.
Oh, Nikki, what fix them?
Huh?
Fix
Oh! Bye, vlog.
them. Wait, go again.
Oh, bye, vlog.
Okay, bye.